Okay, so it's asking how many electrons and protons and neutrons are in an atom of Ca43. Okay, so at 43, Ca is asking how many electrons, protons, and neutrons. Electrons, protons, and neutrons. So every time we look at this guy here is an isotope. So let me read this out. So this here is the isotope of Ca, or of calcium here. And this 43 represents my atomic mass. Recall that isotopes are simply just the same element, they have the same protons here, but a different amount of neutrons, which affect the atomic mass. So if I look at calcium here, this here is the atomic number is 20, which means the protons here is 20 still. So I'm going to have 20 protons. Sorry, I have 20 protons here, which is good. And I don't have a charge here, which means I'm going to have 20 electrons as well, right? So this is 20 electrons. But the neutrons are, how do I calculate the number of neutrons? Well, I have to use this formula, right? I have to say the number of neutrons is going to equal the atomic mass minus the number of protons. So the atomic mass here is 43. I'm going to subtract that by the number of protons, which is simply just 20. This will equal 23. So this here is my solution. 20, 20, and 23 is my solution. So let's look at the solution here. Calcium atomic number is 20, so it has 20 protons, which is good. If there's no charge here, it will also have 20 electrons, so they cancel out, which is good. And finally, we can say that there are how many neutrons here? Neutrons, 4 stable isotopes, which is good. I don't think they actually said number of neutrons here. So let me say solution is incomplete here. Number of neutrons is going to equal the atomic mass minus the number of protons. So this is going to be 43. Sorry, that's 53. 43 minus 20, which would equal 23. So you say, therefore, there are 20 electrons, 20 protons, and 23 neutrons in a sample of Ca43. So the solution is incorrect because they didn't actually give me I had an incomplete solution here, so it's okay.